What's up, everybody? This is Splash from growthwriter.io, and today I have a story time for you. So this is a story of how I lost over $500,000 in less than a week in cryptocurrency around 3 years ago. And the reason I'm sharing this story now is because I know Bitcoin halving is happening. I'm assuming, cryptocurrency is pumping. So a lot of entrepreneurs are putting their focus towards cryptocurrency. So I want to share my experience and my story so you guys can learn from my lessons and my experiences. So let's get right into the story. 3 years ago, I started dabbling into shitcoins. You know what I'm saying? For some reason, this one day, May 1st, 2021, I believe, one of my friend, he told me to buy a coin, and I just neglected it because this is one of those people that, how do I say this in a nice way? They're like a high risk type of entrepreneur. They do high risk type activities. I think if you guys know what I'm talking about, you guys know what I'm talking about. So this guy's telling me to buy this coin. Yeah, this is when crypto was pumping. This is the height of crypto around this time, at least. Another friend of mine hits me up like literally 30 minutes later, tells me to buy this coin. I buy this coin, put like $1,000 maybe or something, right? That day we were up I was up $10,000. That guy who told me to buy earlier, he was up like $50,000. I'm like, what is this? The whole world of shit coins was crazy. I had dabbled into crypto. I owned Ethereum then because I bought a lot of Ethereum at 400. So I'd seen growth with crypto, but this was like exponential returns in like such a short time frame, right? Like for my ETH to turn from whatever it was to, 4K ETH, like it took a good amount of time. Anyways, first day, 10,000, but I didn't sell. And for the next couple of days, Bitcoin was just going up and down, thought nothing of it. And then it has an initial pump. And that, 1,000 or whatever turns into like 50,000. I still don't sell because I apparently have insiders on this coin of people that are working on this coin from the founders, right? Then the coin really pumps. That bag and turns into like almost $500,000. There was around 2 to 3 days where it was at its height, where my bag was around $500,000, and then it tanked because it's a fucking shit coin, right? Why are you holding shit coins? That's what I should be asking myself. Anyways, actually, what I did not mention around this time is that I actually gambled one of my friends on 2K, and he paid me in this coin, so I had more of this coin because he paid me his gambling debt. This coin dumps. I'm still holding on to it. All I'm gonna say is I cashed out at a price that was not $500,000. Let's just say that it was still a good amount that allowed me to buy this, put money towards a house, put money towards my life, but it's not as nearly as what it could have been. And I'm thinking, I know that's the best thing to ever happen to. And the reason for that is because that amount of money at that time frame without doing anything, I think that's a horrible thing to happen. I've seen this with so many of these crypto bros, people that do engage in this heist, pretty much gambling. It's not even trading, this is gambling. It's a lot of ups and downs, right? So first, it's not good on your mental state to be so up and down and have your mood be affected by a coin. That sounds so stupid to me, right? But I was that person. If we were up, my mood was up. If the coin was down, my mood was down. And you do not want to have your emotional state be controlled by literally a shit coin, literally like a coin that has no value. Like literally you were gambling. I think it was the best thing that happened because I did not want to live a life where I have these unrealistic standards for how wealth is made. And also I realized I actually want to work towards the money I want to make. Because again, these shit coins, what's happening is people are putting money and thinking it's going to go up, and you just became one of the first ones to get in early and you sell it. But realistically, it's like there's no skill involved. There's a lot of insiders, people that just put it in their groups to pump their coins, right? Like, it's not a skill. A lot of these guys making money consistently with this are 100% scamming. And you got to meet some of these people in person as well. You realize they're the biggest scum of the earth. They literally have no morals, don't have no understanding of business, of money. They don't value anything, right? They operate in a world full of scammers, so they're just around scammers. They do scummy things. So it's like, you don't want to be involved in a world like that. And I'm not shitting on people that do crypto trading. What happened after I got out of my shitcoin phase and came back to my business was that my business was in shambles because I spent so much time just focusing on cryptocurrency. I diverted my focus. I had shiny object syndrome. I would have been better off just working in my business and just progressing because I would see exponential gains long term, right? I had to come back. I had to rebuild momentum. I had to rebuild systems. I had to bring it back up myself, and it was not fun, especially coming after such a loss and such a interesting industry where your emotional states are just going up and down. Again, skills not involved. You're literally gambling at that point. So that's why if you're an entrepreneur, don't get distracted distracted with crypto. Focus on your purpose, focus on building your business, because try to do shitcoins, try to do all this, all you're gonna do is distract yourself and work towards something that requires no skill, is all based on luck. Probably gonna lose money because you are literally gambling. It's not sustainable long term. You can't build a career off this, right? So that's why I recommend none of you guys, if you already have established business, start getting distracted because the Bitcoin halving is happening. You know, crypto is pumping right now. Focus on skills, focus on learning those skills, getting better at those skills, and use those skills to make money. You know, for us, we do it with writing. You guys can join our school group below. It's free. We provide challenges, copywriting, videos, email marketing videos, mindset videos. Again, you literally have a thing there where we help you build out your portfolio. I don't know why you wouldn't do that. Anyways, so that's my story of how I lost all that money. Again, hindsight, it was crazy just being that up, right? And getting introduced to this world where you're pretty much gambling. Honestly, that feeling made me want to just achieve that consistently and sustainably with my own business. And that's what I'm focused on, is growth writer on growing my business. So I'm not gonna get distracted with crypto. I hope you don't either. I see this on Twitter and social media all the time of people just, fucking around doing crypto, doing this, that. Don't be that person. Just, focus on your purpose, focus on growing your skill. And if you already have something going for you, go all in on that, because crypto and trading and shitcoins, it's nothing but a distraction that'll take you away from what you need to do. Thank you guys for watching this video, guys. Again, go join the school group below. It's for free. You can follow me on Instagram. If you guys did like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys did watch till the end, please comment, I don't know, let's see, football. Comment football if you watch till the end so I know who my real ones are. Anyways, guys, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.